to subscribe!
A meal made for Loopy!
Loopy is reading a storybook.
The princess was chased out of the palace. Maybe I'll make some sandwiches for lunch. All done. Let's see. Wow, it's delicious. But I think I made too many. Oh, it's okay. I'll go share them.
Loopy left her house to share her sandwiches with her friends.
Phew, now this is a snowman. Pretty awesome, huh? Oh! Did you just throw that? Fine. Here! Out! Wrong you! Hey guys! Hi! Hi, Loopy. Are you making snowmen? But what's that? This? I made some sandwiches. Do you want to try one? Wow! Did you say sandwiches? Here. It looks yummy. I'm going to share them with the others. Bye. Okay, bye. Thank you. Eddie. Come on in.
Hi, Loopy.
Hi, you're here too.
Hi, Loopy. What brings you here?
I wanted to bring you this. It's a sandwich I made.
Thank you.
Then I'll be going.
Bye.
Loopy gave Eddie a sandwich and gave a sandwich to Poby as well. And of course, she gave one to Harry too.
Bye.
Then Loopy went straight to Petty's house.
Petty. Loopy. Hi. Hi. I brought this for you. Wow, it looks delicious. Petty, now that you got one, I'm done handing out my sandwiches. Oh, so you went from house to house handing them out? You must be tired. I'm okay. I'll go home and get some rest. I'm going to go now. Bye. Bye. Picturing them enjoying the food makes me happy. But I am tired. Wow, it's yummy! Everything that Loopy makes is good. Do you want to ask Loopy to make us more? I need to rest now. Maybe I'll read my book. Loopy! Pororo, come! Loopy! What's going on? Can you make us some more sandwiches? More sandwiches? They are so yummy, huh? All right. I can make 2 more. All right! Loopy!
Oh, Pororo and Krong are here too.
Yep. We wanted more of Loopy's sandwiches. That's why we came too. Loopy's going to make us more.
Loopy, make more for us, too.
Okay. Then I need to prepare more ingredients.
Because of her friends, Loopy had no choice but to make more sandwiches.
So, I was coming down the hill on my sled.
Hey guys! I'm done. Help yourselves. Wow! So good. It must be really good.
Really delicious.
Yeah, really.
Loopy, the sandwiches were delicious. But, could you make us some more?
You want me to make one more?
They're
I've never had anything so good.
All right, I'll go make more.
So Loopy went back to the kitchen to make more sandwiches.
Here, dig in. I'm going to my room to rest.
These are so good.
Yeah. Oh, Loopy. Oh. I'm okay. I'll go home and get some rest. Oh, she must be really tired.
Loopy was very tired after cooking all day long. It was the next day.
Wow.
Hey guys, aren't you hungry?
Yeah, it's time for breakfast. Yeah, I guess so.
Poby, put us down.
Oh yeah, all right. Oh,
Ow. You can't jump off suddenly.
sorry, I'm so hungry that I forgot.
Do you want to ask Loopy to make us sandwiches?
Okay, let's go to Loopy's house. Hey, guys.
Huh?
Are you going to Loopy's?
Yeah, we're going to ask her to make sandwiches.
What? Do you only think about yourselves?
Huh?
What do you mean? Loopy was making sandwiches for us all day yesterday with no rest. Haven't you thought about how tired she must be?
Actually, Loopy did look tired yesterday.
Then how about we make Loopy something to eat today?
That's a great idea.
Let's each make a dish on our own and meet at Loopy's by lunchtime.
Poby and Harry are ice fishing now, so they can make a fish dish.
The fish aren't biting, are they?
Well, they really aren't. I think it's a big one. Yeah, I got it.
Oh,
Finished! What do you think?
What is it?
Can't you tell? It looks exactly like Loopy. Well, she'll love it, right?
It does not
Huh?
look like
I'll just touch it up. Ta-da!
Pororo and Krong made some bread.
It smells good. Should I try one to see how it tastes? Okay, Krong. You try one too. It's yummy. Loopy will like it. No, Krong. Those are for Loopy. Well, how about just one more each? Just one more each.
Petty decided to make cookies for Loopy.
There. I hope they turn out all right. But why am I so sleepy? I have to watch the cookies.
At lunchtime, Pororo and his friends met in front of Loopy's house with their dishes.
Loopy! Loopy! What's going on? Well, you see... We all made some dishes just for you, Loopy. Wow, really? Come on in. Let's see what kind of dishes you made. Why don't Poby and Harry go first?
okay.
Poby, open the lid.
Okay.
I caught it myself. It looks yummy, right? It's a little small.
We're
but-
sorry. We were going to make a fish dish, but this is all we caught.
Eddie, how about you?
I made a cake for you. Here. I made it to look like you.
That doesn't look like Loopy. It was nothing like her.
It did in the beginning. Well, what did you guys make?
How about Pororo and Krong? We made you delicious bread.
What? Just one piece?
There were more before.
Then where are they?
Oh, well, we We were just tasting them, but then we ate them all. Sorry, Loopy. Loopy. I'm sorry, too. I put them in the oven and fell asleep, and now they're burned. Loopy, we're sorry. We didn't do a very good job. Everything's a mess. I don't care if it's a mess. You worked so hard to make all these things for me. I'm really grateful. Wow, what a relief.
Loopy, I'm really sorry. Every time I ate your food, I never thought about how hard you worked.
Loopy,
we're sorry.
It's okay. I don't think we have enough food. I'll go make some.
Huh?
I'll help you. Okay, thanks.
Me too.
Pororo and his friends enjoyed a delicious meal that they made together with Loopy.